What is going on, guys? The most DIY video, quick and easy that you'll ever see from me. But however, I felt like I had to give you guys the grid set source file because I did promise it and I don't like to not live up to my promises. So this is it, very nice, quick and simple. This is not really for beginners. This is just, this is not an in-depth tutorial. This is just so you guys can play around with the source file. It's literally a source file. It's a bit messy. That's why I just wanted to give it to you guys for free for any guys or gals that want to use this and play around with it. So without further ado, let me just get rid of this and this. Gorgeous. So once you open it, this is what you'll see. As you can see, so if I hit play, my computer is going to go very slowly. Basically, there's all types of stuff happening. Take a note that I am in the, oh my god, why did I even click that? I'm in the geometry nodes tab. This looks like shite because we haven't got the rendered view, which is up here. Lovely, sexy. Okay, cool. Geometry nodes, that's where we are. Okay, as you can see, it goes into the asset supply logo. You're probably wondering how you can change that. That is done here. So basically all you want to do is open that up and you see this sketchy logo here. Don't ask me why it's at this angle. But you can just hit tab, go into edit mode, of course. If you delete that, all of it, then you can shift A and then you can add literally any object you want in here and play around with that. Then you go ahead and hide it again. Oops. Boom, and then now the geometry node setup is applied to that geometry that you just replaced in this cylinder over there. So then it's going to do that nice animation there on that one. Where's me nerds? I need me fucking nerds, mate. Oh, nice. It's because I was still in edit mode. Cool, so to get to the geometry node section, and that's just click on plane. That's where you come into here. Now, I won't run into everything, but yeah, basically, guys, geometry nodes are extremely powerful. So this is the icosphere, for example, this one right here. That's plugged into the instance. Let's say you wanted it squares. You could go cube, is it not? There we go. So let's say you wanted all those circles to be cubes. You just slap that into the old instance. The whole geometry node setup is now, boom, some lovely cubes. You can start to see how you can really play around with this, guys. It gets really nice and powerful. Go ahead and delete that and slap the old circle back in there, or sphere. So yeah, guys, I mean, you can literally go through here. This is why I produced the source file for you. Let me get back in here. Oh, there we go. And just play around with the parameters, man. That's the point of this source file. Just go your own merry way. Play around with the cameras. Oh yeah, another thing. I don't even know if this is worthy explaining, guys. Look, I would suggest you open the file, you explore for yourself, play around with the different keyframes. Yeah, just use this as a basis for inspiration. You know, it's completely free, so you don't lose anything. You know, you can check out the just analyze the geometry nodes, analyze some different things. I've set up the camera in an empty here, so that basically allows for you, if you like double tap R, you can really just move this around freely. Do note that if you go back to the layout, it's probably better, so then you have the full control here. But there are keyframes that you can play around with here, of course. So, you know, you can go ahead and delete them, for example. And now if we go into camera view, then, you know, that's just gonna not stay there. All right, yeah, that's because we've also keyframed the focal length here. So yes, guys, there is a few things keyframed, but I would suggest to just go ahead and yeah, I would suggest to get rid of the camera, perhaps just set up your own new camera. You can go ahead and build upon the geometry node setup, play around with that, with those. But yeah, guys, I hope you do like it. I hope you enjoy the delivery of it finally, because yeah, I remembered that I promised it to you guys, sort of stopped, didn't think about it again. But Handsome Method delivers on promises. So guys, go and enjoy it. Let me know what you think. See you in the next one. Cheers.